Hold on, bro. Gotta configure some stuff before I start the stream. Oh my god, it's so annoyingly loud outside, man. I think it's good. Okay. Okay, I think it's working. Okay. Let's try it out. See if the chat works. It has to work though. Yes, sir. Okay, it works. Should I start? No, hold on. Let me open up the book before I start. Just gotta do this. Banger book. Where was I? I don't even remember at all. I remember that I was going to discuss this problem. It's kind of difficult. Wow. I don't know what to discuss. Okay, I already discussed this problem, which was pretty difficult. I also want to try out this problem. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright. We got a lot of stuff to do in this session. Oh my god, it's so loud. Why is it so loud? Holy shit. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh. Better, that's better. Okay. Wait, what? Where's my cam? Yo, what? Oh my god, my camera is deactivated, I think. Yo, bro. Brother. Okay, let me just delete this. Let me just, okay, hold on. Remove. Let's do this again. Okay. I think it's gonna work. Where's color spacing? What does that do? Doesn't do shit, by the way. Okay. Full. I don't want a full color range. I don't care, to be honest. I'm not trying to like. Oh, why am I so big? Okay. It's gonna work. Alright, today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solve some problems. Okay. The stream is working. I really do not want to start studying because I'm too like lazy. But this is what I gotta do. Let's do it then. Oh, oh no, no, no. This is very bad. I'm gonna get cooked on this problem. So we got, oh, let me get my ruler here. I have a lot of places, a lot of area here now, so I can do a lot of stuff. Which is good, which is good. I like it. Okay. So, given a circle, what is this symbol, bro? Hold on, let me just search it up. I want to know what that symbol is, bro. Is that like epsilon or something? Like Greek letters. It's not even Greek. It's not even Greek, bro. What? I think it's iota. I think it has to be. Got theta here, we got kappa, iota. No, it's not iota. Oh, it's omega. Omega. Yeah, okay. What kind of letters are these, bro? So bad. Oh, they look cool, but they're bad, bro. Like, how do you even write with that? I don't know. So you got given circles omega 1 and omega 2 intersecting at point X and Y. Let's try it out, shall we? Yeah, okay, let's do it here. We got some omega 1. And we got some omega 2. I don't know if I'm pronounced it right though. I don't care. O1, O2 here. Intersect at point X and Y. Point Y. Let L1 be a line through. Let's kind of increase this so y'all can see it. Yeah, okay. Let L1 be a line through the center of O1, intersecting O2, omega 2 at point P. P and Q. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is kind of difficult. Let L1 be a line through center omega 1, intersecting omega 2 at point at Q. Okay, just gonna copy what they have illustrated here. So we got some line like this. Call it L1, and this is P. And this is Q. Okay. Interesting enough. And let L2 be a line through center of omega 2, intersecting omega 1 at R and S. Oh my god. Damn. Doesn't necessarily like need to go through that point. I don't think so, no. Not necessarily, bro. But I guess that's what the result is in the end. And to prove that if PQRS lie on the circle. If they are concyclic, then the center of the circle lies on the line XY, or the radical axis of the omega 1 and omega 2. This is so bad. I can already feel it being so bad. Okay. Let this be like this. Okay. This is O3. Okay, so like, what the flip, man? So they are concyclic. What does that give us? Like, what information does that give us? This was actually a very nasty Usama problem in the sense that it was easy to lose partial credit. Oh, partial credit. Okay, here's why. We will see why. Oh my god, I'm getting nervous. Oh, let O3 and omega 3 be the circumcenter and circumcircle, respectively, of the circle cyclic quadrilateral PQRS. After drawing the diagram, wait, what? After drawing the diagram, we are immediately reminded of our radical axes. In fact, we already know that the line PQ, RS, and XY concur at a point X by theorem 2.9, call H. Call it H. Let's go back to theorem 2.9 to see what they're talking about. Theorem 2.9. They have so many theorems, it's just crazy. So many theorems you have to memorize. Let omega 1 and omega 2 be two circles with centers O1 and O2. Select points A and B on omega 1. A and B on omega 1. And points C and D on omega 2. Then the following are equivalent. A, B, C, D lie on the circle with center O3, not on the line O1, O2. Lines A, B, and C, D intersect at the radical axis of omega 1 and omega 2. Proof. We have already shown one direction. Now suppose line A, B, and C, D. Have they shown already one direction? Oh, they already showed this. Okay, the radical axis of omega 1, omega 2. P is intersect. Okay. P be the intersection of two lines, then P belongs to L12 because this means that, Okay, yeah, I understand that. Okay. PowerPoint, okay. Okay, that means, okay. Let omega 1 and omega 2 be two circles with centers O1 and 2. Let's select AB on omega 1. Okay. ABCD lie on the circle with center O3, not on line O1, O2. Oh, and AB. Okay, we already proved that they. Okay. Okay. So we have this problem here. So they do, okay, they do intersect at one point. Now what else do we know? Well, once at the diagram, it appears that 0103. 103 is perpendicular to RS. And of course, this we know is true because RS is the radical axis of omega, and omega is free. Similarly, we notice that PQ is perpendicular to 0103. Oh, 103. Yo, what is going on, bro? What happened? Wait, hold on. My boy just typed in the chat. Why doesn't it show on the flipping stream, bro? It doesn't show on the stream. I know you typed it, but it doesn't show here. For reasons I do not know. It's crazy. Bro, just play GD. Alright, bro. I'm trying to fucking study, bro. Let me study. I'm not a Geometry Dash YouTuber, bro. If I was, I would still get no views, but it is what it is. I'm a math YouTuber. I do math for a living. I actually don't, but that's besides the point. That's besides the point, brother. Damn, you write slow, bro. You're writing very slow. Chop chop, buddy. Talking about you? Yeah, bro. Who else am I who else am I supposed to be talking about, bro? And you're the only one in the stream. You're the only one who's in the stream, bro. Who else am I be supposed to talk? Or just speak Georgian, man? No, I can't. I'm an international YouTuber. I can't speak Georgian. I'm not a patriot. Почему? Already said it. I'm an international YouTuber. so tough, bro. Okay, bro, I'm gonna let you focus. Okay, appreciate it. W's in the chat, man. W's in the chat. Oh. Where was that? Oh, appears O1 is okay perpendicular to RS, and we know that. We notice that PQ is perpendicular to O103. PQ to O103? Serious? That is definitely not the case, bro. I think they meant O10203. PQ is definitely perpendicular to O203, but that's a huge mistake, buddy. Very huge mistake, but I'm gonna sue you for that. I'm gonna sue you for that, bro. W or W. Thank you, bro. Okay. Wait, hold on. So this is perpendicular. Okay, so O103 is perpendicular to SO2 or SR, doesn't matter. And O203 is perpendicular to PQ. So we can say that, okay, so we can say that O3, this point, that's H, and this point are concyclic because this is 90 degrees and 90 degrees, and some of these are 90 degrees. Hold on. So what did they say? Focus on O1, O2, O3. We see that H is a orthocenter. Yeah, it is. It is. Wait. It is. So XY is perpendicular to O1, O2, and O3 and some other points. We don't know that they're collinear though. And O3 and some other point on O1, O2, they're also perpendicular. So O3, okay. So that H is the orthocenter, therefore the altitude from O3 to O1, O2 must pass through H. But line XY is precisely that altitude. Oh. Okay. This is actually very nice. Okay. On hence O3 lies on XY and we are done. Or are we? Okay, this is tough. This is actually very tough. Or are we? I didn't know it was that simple for the first case, but what about the second case? I think they're gonna say that O1, O3, and O2 and O3 are collinear. I got O theorem 2.9 again. In order to apply it, we know that O1, O2, and O3 are not collinear. Unfortunately, this is not always true. See figure 2.7b, which is this. Fortunately, notice that in this case it's much harder than actually doing it. We use phantom points, let O be the midpoint of XY. Now drawing large scale diagrams, right? We picked this point because we know this is where O be the midpoint of XY. We picked this point because we know this is where O3 must be for the problem to hold. Now we just need to show that OP equals to OQ equals to OR equals to OS. That means that O is the center of PRSQ circle, from which it will be followed that O equals to O3. Okay. This looks much easier. It should seem like we should be able to compute everything using just repeated application of the Pythagorean theorem and definition of a circle. Trying this, OP squared equals O01 squared plus O1P squared equals to O01 squared plus O2P squared minus O1O2 squared. Yeah, okay. Equals to O01 squared plus R squared, R2 squared minus O01 squared, O1O2 squared. Now this point P is gone from the expression, but the R2 needs to go if we hope to get a symmetric expression. We need to get rid of it by using O2x. What is O2? Okay. O2x. No. Hey, sure. O2x equals R2 equals XO squared plus XO squared by O02 squared. Okay, yes, root of that. So OP squared equals O01 squared plus that squared minus O01 O2 squared equals what? So wait, hold on, what? Just kind of did some things here. O2x squared. O2x squared. This is the radius. O2x squared plus OX squared. Did they still mess up? It should be O02. Oh wait, hold on, what? Wait, hold on. O01 squared plus XO squared plus O02 squared minus O1O2 squared. So this is O01 squared plus XO squared plus O02. So XO squared plus O01 squared plus O02 squared minus yeah, okay. They messed up with the flipping. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. And that's 1 over 2xy squared plus O1 O2 squared. Okay, this is symmetric. And the exact same calculations with Q, R, and S yield the same result. We conclude that OP squared equals OQ squared equals OR squared equals OS squared equals 1 as desired. Having presented the perhaps more natural solution above, here's a solution with a more analytic flavor. It carefully avoids the configuration issues in the first solution. Okay, so solution to example R1, R2, R3 denote the circular radii of. I should show that over less than radical axis of. Let's call the condition using PowerPoint because what is our radical axis of omega 1, omega 2. subtract the two gives r1 squared minus r2 squared equals 103 squared minus 0203 squared. Oh wow, okay. Okay, just kind of rearranged it. So we got 0203 squared minus r2 squared, so power of point for these two circles with respect to the center equals to 0103 squared minus r1 squared. It's just power of points for alpha here. Wait, what? Dawit, let me hop inside the live stream. Akar, Dawit. What's up? Mr. Sharon, help me please. Wait, you know we go swing button David. Let's go to hold on. Swing button David. You're going on the question. Go to channel. Let's start my this. Oh wow. რა სინებებთ ინოვიკო ბიჭო good problem გინდა რა ვიკი ხო მაგრამ ცოტა უნდა ვიმეცადინო და კაი ხო ბარე მომეც მაინტერესებს რა problem გაქვს აი წამით ჩატში ნახე შენ მამარდაშვილი მამარდაშვილი როგორ? მოიცა. მამარდაშვილი. მამარდაშვილი? არ ვიცი. მამარდაშვილს არ ვიცნობ. მე მარტო ის მეკარე ვიცი. კაი, რა არის პრობლემა? What is the problem? კონი იწერება ჩეჩი. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Center account here. At Innovico Curiosity Tools, everything I'm a teenager explain the world of math, science, and explain concepts. A simple visual way of creating a project. Learning clear and aging exciting for anyone who loves discovering how things work. This I'll spongy AI scripts scouts man about options. Goni შეიძლება არ იყოს არ ვიცი. ბიჭო რა არის ამოცანა დამიწერე. თუ ეძებ ამოცანას კიდე. მალე უნდა გავაგრძელო მეცნიერობა, იმიტომ რომ დრო არ მაქვს. Brother. კიდევ არ ვიცი. ზამთ. რა ტელეფონი. აი აქა. ნიკო ეს რა ამოცანაა ბიჭო. 5 images below show 5 Instagram's in full smooths into go get. Yo, I don't know, man. 5 images below show 5 diffraction patterns. The central image is a diffraction pattern from an aperture which The central image is a diffraction pattern from an aperture which resembles one mathematical binary operation, while the rest represents the English alphabet. The possible alphabetical apertures are the following letters with corresponding assigned digits. A font of the aperture is sans serif, that is written such that the edges of the letters is a simple straight edge. To encrypt the message, the corresponding digits of each aperture are concentrated, then operated by the binary operation. Determine the results of the encrypted message up to 3 significant figures if the aperture are ACK. Fourier transform ki ara? Ay. Გავიჭედე. წავიკითხე ამოცანა შანსი არ მაქვს. Fourier transform ერთამით ეს რაღაც კალკულუსის რაღაც არ არის ერთამით აქ გეომეტრიას ვწავლობ ბიჭო და ეს რაღაც Fourier Fourier's transform Fourier transform ისე თამულცემის მასწავლება Fourier transform is a mathematical tool that breaks down a complex signal or Shots here, folks. Yo, what's him talking about? Fourier transform is a mathematical tool that breaks down a complex signal or function into basic sine and cosine wave components. It changes data from time domain, how a signal changes over time, into a frequency domain, what frequencies make up the signal and how strong they are. Like a video or free blue one brown this kind. Cardioid, yeah. That's just it. Hey man. Guy შენი კენი მე შენთან გავჩილავ და რო გავაკეთებ ჩაგიგდებ თუ გაინტერესებს. ჯო ჩაუგდი მაინტერესებს თუ გააკეთებს. ეს ჩაუგდი, ოკეი. ზემოთ სტრიმში გავაკეთებ, პარამ. აი, დამწერე, guy შენი კენი მე შენთან გავჩილავ და რო გავაკეთებ ხო. ოკეი. ზემოთ Instagram's show. Instagram. ამას მონი 1000 წელიწად გავაკეთებ. ისაც რო ვიცოდე Fourier transform რა არის, ისაც რო გავაკეთებ მგონი. მე როგორც ვიცი კიდევ ChatGPT-ს ესეთი რაღაც აქვს, რომ თუ რაღაც subscription-ი იყიდე და თუ რაღაც ძალიან დიდი ხანი აფიქრე, აი მინდა ყველაფერს ხსნის. Please. Okay, ჩაუგდე. ნახოთ აბა. შენ ისეთ ამოცანებს ვაკეთებ. რომელიც, რავი, რომელსაც AI ვერ ხსნის, მაშინ რავი. You're set for life, man. ვაფიქრებ ახლა. უფრო თულ თუ გინდა ეს გავაკეთე straight from Olympiad VR KR to this is nice cut. Shame guy. The system is kept at a constant temperature T by a thermal bath, massless, perfect flexible. რა სწავლობ? ესე რა? Yo. ამაზე ვერაფერს გეტყვი. ამის აზრს რო ვიყო. Thermodynamics. Interesting. კიდევ ვერ ხსნის ეს, ვაიმე. Gemini. Chop buddy. Guy, Gemini. Gemini იწოლობს ამითი და რა. რავი. აი, ოკეი, აი. ორი მომცა. Encryption calculation left operand AO concentrated energy. Rounding 1224 to three significant figures yields the final result. Okay, პირველი პასუხი 12 ეს 1220 არის და მეორე 1420. რომელია სტორი ოღონდ? ამას იმენა ვერ წავიკითხო, იმიტომ ასრზე არ ვარ რა ხდება. მაგრამ არ ვიცი. ძალიან მოკლე პასუხები თითქოს არის. არც ერთია სტორი. არც ერთია სტორი, okay. I don't know, man. What? პასუხი ნუნთელი რო არის თუ რაღაც. ნუნთელი როგორ არის? ამან 1000 ნუნთელი რო გამრებული 10 ხაისად 3 თუ იმენა ნუნთელი რო. 10 ხაისად 10 კუბი. 1000 ამან რავი 1220 მიიღო, 1420 მიიღო. SAT, ჩემი SAT ნიშნებიაიო. რავი. თუ ნუნთელი რო არის, მაშინ არ ვიცი. This is crazy, bro. Equation. ეს რა დარგი არის ერთად აი. This reflection pattern corresponds to the aperture geometries, straight edges in the aperture. რას ნიშნავს? AO plus KI, ამან დაწერა კიდე letter 1, letter 2, operator, letter 3, letter 4. არის letter 1, letter 2. I'm gonna. აი ხო ამას 1000 წელი ვერ გავიგებ. იმენა შანსი არ მაქვს. მაგრამ კაისა. არა საინტერესოა. I like it. შენ ისე ამ წელს ხო არ იქნები სკოლაში? ხო სხვა სკოლაში გადადიხარ. მგონი ბისჩი. მაგრამ როგორც ვიცი კაი არის. იმიტომ რომ A-level-ები არის და რაც კიდე იმას აიჩო. არა გადავედი GG. GG's bro. ბიჭო მეც მინდა A-level-ები რა ძალიან კაი იქნება. იმიტომ რომ რავი რასაც კიდე იმას ვისწავლი მათემატიკა, მე მათემატიკას ფიზიკას და კიდე რაღაც სხვა რა further maths-საც ავიჩევდი თუ რამე. არ ვიცი რთული არის მანდ რაღაცეები. Further math-ი კალკულუსი საერთოდ. ამ ზაფხულს დავიწყე კალკულუსი, მაგრამ მე მოვჩი. წარმოებულს ეკავჩერდი. მე რა არ გავუწევ. Again, math, further math, physics, eco. Nice, bro. Damn. ოთა კიდე რა კაი იქნება ბრიტანეთში, მე თავისუფლად ჩავაბარებ. მეც მინდა ბრიტანეთში, მაგრამ რავი. მე მარტო AP-ები მაქვს, მაგრამ AP-ებითაც შემიძლია, უბრალოდ არ ვიცი. ამ წელს კიდე, რავი, აიმოს მინდა გავიდე და მაგის შანსიც ძალიან დაბალია. But who knows? Good luck. Thank you, bro. კაი უნდა გავაგზავნო მეცადინეობა თორე. No. Stuff might get scary. I'll save it. Okay. კონჯობიარ ჩეთის მქონდეს გახსნი ტელეფონში. ჯერ ხანახა აი ვერ ვხედავ. ხანახა დიდი ხანი გადის და ვერ ვხედავ იმენა. ჩეთს. და მე რო შევიხედები 200 არის 200 ჩეთი არა მოწერილი. აი ეს კაი არის. აი ეს უბრალოდ ტელეფონში მექნება. ეს ლეპტოპის მონიტორი არ მუშაობს. I still know. I know this formula, man. I know this, bro. All I squared equals r squared minus 2rr. Yeah, I know this one, right? Pretty famous formula. Theorem, I mean. But I don't know how to solve this. Rather. Let's look at the proof. First thing we need to notice is that the relation is equivalent to proving r squared minus oi squared. Okay. Okay. I guess you could do that, bro. This is power of point, clearly as clear as day. Bro, I can't even fucking see that, bro. And you're saying it's clear as day, bro? Come on, man. So you got r squared. So we look AI hits. This petition, what the fuck, man? Okay, Austria rocks. Nice at having 0. Definitely we just need to show that AI times IL equals 2RR. Arf arf. Equals OI? Uh-huh. Okay. Ah, for PowerPoint. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. OI. No PowerPoint for I. იქნება PowerPoint 아니면 2RR. This looks much nicer to work with. Notice that the power expression gave us a way to clean up the problem statement and give us some structure to work on. We work backwards for a little bit, final condition appears like similar triangles, so perhaps we may write AI. What? Ah, yes, yes, yes. Very nice. Very nice. I can see that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. The hell no, bro. Hell no. AI. Oh, kartulda, kartuldas. AIF has the ratio we want, bro. What ratio do we want? Brother. Koni words on suladiyor. Better out. You can also drop the foot too. Gidip tam sebep yani. You can drop the foot to AC, but this is the same thing. I see, cool. Okay. All that remains is to construct a similar triangle with length 2r. And IL. Unfortunately, IL does not play well in the diagram. Yeah, it does not. Who would have guessed, bro? But we hope that now we recognize IL from lemma 118, right? BL equals IL. Rato. Lemma 118, bro. What are you talking about, bro? That's Rodin Delia. Lemma 118, bro. What? The ABCB triangle within center I, ray AI meets ABC again at L. I is yeah, okay. Okay, yes. Gimaxos. დაუბრუნდე უკან. ზევით ავიდეთ, ზევით კიდე ზევით ავიდეთ, კიდე ზევით, კაი აქ. And then write BL equals IL, then let K be the endpoint such that KL is the diameter of the circle. KL is the diameter of this circle. Then KBL has a dimension 3 what? Okay. Could the triangle in question be similar? Yes. Angle KBL. Why me? Kamartivdasak me. Yes, and AFI are both triangles. AFI, KBL. G. Hence, this produces AI times AIL equals AI times IL equals 2RR. And we are done. As usual, this is not how the solution should be written up in a context. Solution should be only written forwards and without explaining where the steps come from. Solution to lemma 222. Let ray AI meet the circumcircle again at L. Let K be the point diametrically opposite L. Let F be the foot from I to AP. Oh, this is just rewritten, okay. The construction of the diameter appears again in chapter 3, and we extend the law of sine. Our last example is from the All-Russian Mathematics Olympiad, and the solution is totally unexpected. Please ponder it before reading the solution. Oh my god. Just gonna rewrite this whole graph. Tough problem, tough. I'm just gonna read it, bro. What strange conditions have we given? We are told that AX equals AY equals 1 and the parameter of ABC is 4. Effectively nothing else. The conclusion, which is an either or statement, is equally puzzling. Let us reflect the point A over X and Y to the point U and V. So that AU equals AV equals 2. This seems slightly better because AU and equals AV equals 2 now, and the 2 is the perimeter, 2 in the perimeter is now present. But what do? We coin that S equals 2 in the triangle. We find that AU and V are tangent to the points of the X circle. Call it gamma A. Set IA the eccentric. Tangent to BC at T. Okay. Looking at, we now have encoded Vx AX equals AY. So one condition as follows. X and Y are the midpoints of the tangents to the AX circle. We need to show that one of ABM. Is perimeter equal to length? What? Good luck on your future exams. Texas Onion. I don't have emojis liked. Hope I'm not bothering you. No, you're not, bro. Welcome to the stream, bro. I'm just studying for a sec. I'm just studying for not a sec, but studying a lot. I won't. Yo, that me. Who? What you talking about, bro? You're talking about the stream? Like you're talking about your chat? I don't know. This is so tough, bro. Oh, my ears hurt. I need to go. I probably won't be able to look at the chat for a while. But no matter what, you're not gonna be a bother to me, okay? So you can do whatever you want. Okay? Okay. Don't say anything weird. Still here. Okay. Examine wine. Oh my god. Ooh, yeah, okay. Okay, let's draw it out. See if you still okay. let's draw it out, because why not? Because, well, why not? It's a difficult problem. I like it. A lot of theorems to know, though. There's a lot of stuff to know. So this is U, this is V. Let's do this. Okay, so this is like something like this. And then we got a center here, IA. Okay. And so, okay, so AM, we have to prove that AM equals MT. And we are given that, like, okay, so this is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Okay. Okay. Look at back, we are. Should appear that the distance equals to the length of the tangent to the x circle. This move is the last addition to our diagram. What kind of flipping solution is this, bro? Zero circle, radius 0, bro? On the analytical axis of omega 0 at gamma A. Where's gamma A again? Point at the x circle. Okay. On the radical axis of gamma 0 and omega 0 and gamma A, okay. Do they? I don't think they do. Wait, hold on. So, what? Do they? What? This is just 1. This is R. This is R plus. Okay. So you got R squared plus 1 minus R squared. So, oh, they are. What? I don't know what's going on in the chat. Jimmy Bitchy Dupe Day. I'm still standing after all this time. Thank you, bro. Say doo doo. Say doo doo. Why though? I already did. I said doo doo. What's going on, bro? Like, bro. Yo, winner, you gotta. Brother. Yo, let me flip and study, bro. You gotta let me study, man. Like, what are you making me do, bro? Come on, bro. Shit's crazy. Cheguei was Time is 4 days, 43 hours, and 35 seconds. What do you mean by that? What? Time is 4 days, 43. I meant minutes. What are you talking about, bro? Are you talking about my time? Your time is 1 minute per second. No, it's not, but 1 minute per second? No. Definitely not. This is the second. This is the time, the minute, and this is the hour. So it's definitely not. Oh, okay. Got a good laugh from that, bro. Peak comedy. Oh, thank you for the thank you for making me laugh. I have had a hard time these past few days. Okay, I gotta go back to studying. Okay, so the PowerPoint, so M does, and now we have MA equals MT. Okay. So, okay, so this, okay, this is very interesting. What does that give us though? If power, okay, so this is just like X. Wait, hold on, okay, give me a sec. What? So I got T, so this is, let's say this is T, this is R, this is root R squared plus T squared. R squared plus T squared minus R squared equals T squared. So this is power. We also know that this power equals to this power, and this is just T squared. No, this is just T. So this squared minus, okay, so yeah, this is, yeah, okay. Definitely understand that, okay. How does this come in? Okay, as regard now, how does the either or condition come in? Now it is clear it reflects whether T lies on BM or CM. Okay. It must lie in at least one, because we are told that M lies inside the segment BC, and the tangency point of the AX circle to BC always lies in one. Because we are told that M lies inside the segment BC, and the tangency point of AX circle to BC always lies in this segment as well. This completes the solution which we present concisely below. Okay, before I read that too, let's just, this is equal to this. This reflects, okay, this reflects. So we got better. Okay, let's just read it out. Let IA be the X, okay. A, B, C, X, M, Y. Connect this. Continue this till it reaches U. Continue this till it reaches V, I guess. Okay. Draw this. Okay. Is it? Is it? Oh, it is. It's tangent to two. Okay, but that doesn't really matter. Okay. But does it? It does. Wait. It does matter if it's tangent. Wait, what? Yo, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you for making me reach 60 subs. I appreciate it. W's in the chat, bro. Let's get some W's in the chat. Well, why is it? Okay, so this is equal to 1. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I understand. Okay, so let's continue reading. Where is it? IABD and center, etc. Okay. Whatever it is. And tangent C to BC at T. And the extension of AB and AC at UV. And we see that AB and what? Okay. We see that AU equals AV equals 2. Then XY is the radical axis of AX circle and the circle of reductio to A. So this is AU equals to AV equals to S, and this is equal to 2 because perimeter is 4. We're given that. And what else were we given? We were given that X equals AY equals 1. AY equals 1. So this is equal to this. Okay. And when we continue this, this is 2, this is 2, and this is, yeah, okay. Radical axis of A, okay. Therefore, AM equals ATMT, okay. Assume without loss of generality that T lies on MC. Oh, wait. Hold on, so we got X, so AX equals AU. No, AX equals XU. And we got that AX equals XU, right? So BU equals BT. So we got this is equal to 2. Then we got to prove that AB plus BM plus AM equals to AU. BX, sorry, BM, sorry, AU. So we got that BU equals to BT, and BU, so we got AB plus BU. So we got AB plus BU has to equal to AB plus BM plus AM, right? So we got BU has to equal to BM plus MT. No, AM, sorry. BU is the same as BM plus MT, and this is BM plus AM. So we have to prove that BT equals AM to prove that the perimeter of ABM equals to 2. And we already proved that with that, and now loss of generality, like, let's go to that. Assume without loss of generality that T lies on MC. As opposed to MB, then AB plus BM, AB plus BM plus MA equals to AB plus BM plus MT equals to AB plus BT equals to AB plus BU equals to AU equals to as desired. Okay. So no loss of generality here, and we can do the same thing for MB. And I think it will work. What's going on in the chat? 70 subs next. Go, go, go. I will increase the average view duration. Add rewards like 5 minutes break per section. Split the section in your choice. Yo, bro. You don't need to do all this, bro. It's alright, bro. You don't need to do all this, bro. But thank you for being here, but you don't need to do all this. No, supporting small creators is better than watching big creators. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. I truly do. I'm planning to get a lot of viewers so that I can get super chat, so I can get some money. But I don't even care about money because I have a ton of money. I got a lot of money. No, I'm joking. I don't have a lot of money. What is going on? 2 watching 1. Thank you, bro. Hold on, let me just go on drawing website sketch. Let's go to this. Okay. I want to sketch out the problem. So we got a Russian Olympiad problem. I'm just gonna do it for y'all. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh no, I don't want to do this on this thing. Let me just I remember it's being very glitchy, so what's going on, bro? Stream ending? No, it's not ending. It's not ending, not even close, bro. Not even close. Wait. What is it called? I don't remember what it's called. What is this website? Krita. It's a very good website called Krita. Very nice. Let's go into Krita. Oh. Okay. We got this. Okay, and let's. Oh, no, I don't want to go here. Maybe I do. No, I don't want to go here. Let's get a new file. Let's explain the problem, what it does, what it doesn't. Okay. So we got this. Oh my god, I'm so bad at drawing. Oh my god, bro. Wow. Wow. Okay, so we got some BAC. We gotta continue this line. Oh, wait, no. Should be better if we do this. Okay. AX. Perimeter of ABC triangle is equal to 4 AX equals to AY equals to 1, and we have to prove that this is M, right? So this is M, and we have to prove that either perimeter of ABM equals to or perimeter of AMC equals to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue this line till it reaches U. It's kind of like a reflection. So A equals to U. AX equals to XU. Gotta do the same thing here. So AY equals to YU is a reflection. It's just a expansion of a AC line. And then we gotta, let me see that this length equals to 2 and this length equals to 2. So these are just half perimeters. The lengths of those are half perimeters of the triangle ABC. So when we try to draw an X circle of ABC, we see that they have tangent points at U and V. Let this IA be the center of the X circle. Now we can see if we get a circle with the radius 0 centered on A, we will get the fact that xy is the radical axis of gamma A and IA. And this can be easily proven because, well, first of all this length is 1, right? So we got the power of gamma A x equals 1. And now we can prove it here as well. So let's say this right. And we can prove that power of IA for x is also 1. We have to prove that this is equal to 1 also. So we got that. This is, let's say, R. We know ux is u is a reflection of A, so this is 1 as well. So this is root r squared plus 1 using Pythagorean theorem. So the power of point here will be xia squared minus r squared. This is just r squared plus 1 minus r squared, which is just 1. Therefore, this equals the power of point gamma A x. Same logic can be applied for y, and we'll see that xy is actually the radical axis of gamma A and IA. So now we have that. Oh, wait, what's going on? Where am I? We have that M belongs on xy, and thus then we can infer other stuff as well. Now we have to prove. Where is my cursor? Holy shit! What the hell, bro? Okay. Oh my god. Now we have to prove that B. So let's say this tangency point. Oh my god, it's so bad. Now we have to prove that AM equals MT. So we have AU equals 2 equals 2. Well, first of all, let's apply PowerPoint. We have to prove. Wait, what the fuck is going on? Okay. So we can apply the power of point here. So let's say this is T, right? So the power of point, for gamma A. Wait a sec. All right, I'm gonna be back. I gotta go do some I'll be back. I'll be back. No worries, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck? What is going on? Oh my god. Hey, bro, I'm back. Oh my god. Hey. Okay, wait, hold on. Gotta do some shit before I actually start. 3 minutes or more, lol. What? Fuck is this guy? Oh, bro. Okay, I'm back. Not for 10 hours. Okay, bro. Thanks for the admiration, man. I'm gonna be here for like 5 or 4 hours, maybe 3. Yeah, I know. What is going on behind there? I don't know. 2 years ago, sub chat. This Joker stuff. So, okay, bro. So I scared in the job. Holy moly. What's up, man? Okay, I'm back. Okay, nah, I'm back. I already said that. A lot of unread messages. I read them all already. Okay, let's go back to this thing. So we got power. Okay, where were we? Power of gamma A for M equals to, let's say, T equals to AM. Let's say equals to T. Power of IA of M is also equal to T. And you can see in the graph, this is tangent to this point, right? So if you do this, this will be right. This is, oh my god, what is going on? This is so much things happening here. Let's kind of increase it. Okay. If you connect this will be some R. There's some R plus R squared plus X squared. Let's say this is X, right? So this is equal to T. This is equal to root R squared plus X squared minus, oh, just not root, R squared plus X squared minus R squared, which is X squared. Oh, wow. So we got that X squared equals to T. No, it's T squared, sorry. T squared. So X squared equals T squared, X equals T. So we got this is equal to T. Let's kind of erase this as well. Okay. This is equal to T. So we got that AM equals MT, right? AM equals MT. Now we have to prove, now we already proved that. And now we have to prove that AM parameter of AM B equals to 2 or other vice versa. So we got AU equals to, this is so bad, equals to 2. This is equal to AX plus, this is equal to AB plus BU. This is equal to AB plus BT. This is equal to AB plus BM plus MT. And already proved that MT equals AM, so AB plus BM plus AM. That means that perimeter of ABM equals 2. She wanted to prove, and we could do the same. We could do the same thing for this side, but I don't want to do it. Nice, very nice. This show, okay. Okay, bro. Where do I continue? Maybe I could continue here. I'll do it later. I'll just read the problems first. Okay, I already did that, alright? I did this problem, I did this problem, and I did this problem. The Usama problem. So let's go to another problem. Nice. We're going well. Let's do the 2009 problem. Why not? Why not, bro? Like, why not? Put this away for a sec. Oh my god. And by the way, real word fear of long words is, yeah, I know that. I'm still a human, I'm not having a stroke, okay? Okay, bro. Whatever you say, man. ABC be a triangle. Okay, let's do this. What kind of problem is this, bro? I think I know this problem. Just don't know. Yeah, I think I know this problem. Okay. The gun with the circle passing through K, L, and M. Suppose that line PQ is tangent to the circle. Gamma proves that OP equals OQ. Okay. Yeah, I know this problem. I've seen it before. Yes, you did, bro. Nice. Let's just draw better. Oh, so I see some similar triangles. So we got a lot of similar triangles. And this is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. Let's go look at the hints. Final. Holy. Oh, this sound. Okay. Thank you, bro. Hey, bro, I'm back. Thank you, bro. Okay. Number 78. The French part of this problem is the final condition LP equals. The circumcenter is not related to anything in the problem. How might you encode this using some? Bro, what? PowerPoint? Okay, and genuine can't solve this shit, bro. How am I so dumb, bro? What? Gotta be something like very easy. Just know it. Something easy is gonna be like the answer. Oh, hold on. does PowerPoint work in this, bro? So stupid. Oh my days. Did I do it wrong? Hold on. What? Yeah, okay. This is similar to this, okay. No, I genuinely can't solve this, bro. I genuinely can't solve this.
Hello everybody, in this video we're going to solve problem number 2 from the 2009 International Math Olympiad. And when you see the three letters I, and then we let gamma be the...
Hello fellow problem solvers, so today we're going to go from the thing you need to prove and try to work backwards to a fact that you know, or you can go from the facts that you have and try to work your way up to the thing that you need similarity
is this, bro?
PP1 over PA is equal to PC over PP2, which in turn implies that PA times PC is equal to PP1 times PP2. Now, if you look at it in terms of the radius and the distance from P to O, what you have is PP1 is equal to OP1 minus OP, and PP2 is equal to OP2 plus OP. Now, given this OP and P2, now if you look at it in terms of the radius and the distance from P to O, what you have is PP1 is equal to OP1 minus OP, and PP2 is equal to OP2 plus OP. Now, given this is R, this is X, this is R, this is X, we have this is equal to R squared minus X squared. In other words, equal to the radius of the circle squared, which is a constant, OA squared minus OP squared. And now from here, what we have is, namely that PA times PC is equal to OA squared, which is the radius, minus OP squared. And similarly for Q, we'll get that QA times QB is equal to OA squared minus OQ squared. So the condition that OP is equal to OQ is equivalent to PA times PC is equal to QA times QB. Times PC is equal to OA squared, which is the radius, minus OP squared. And similarly for Q, we'll get that QA times QB is equal to OA squared minus OQ squared. So the condition that OP is equal to OQ is equivalent to PA times PC is equal to QA times QB. So maybe that, and that's a better thing to prove. And the reason for that is that we get rid of a point O, which really doesn't have anything to do with the other points in the problem.
It's nice, simple geometry problem. Simple, bro.
Now I invite
Yeah, bro,
you
okay.
to take 10 minutes, draw points K, L, M, and see what you can do. At AP, and we can infer some angles. So let's call this angle X, which means angle PML is APM. And similarly, AQM is equal to QMK. Now let's take a look at what happens when we consider the tangency condition as the next condition. So geometry problems are to this QM. And then we have that this here is also 5 plus X. Now take 5 minutes and see what you can do with this. Well, what you can do is you now infer that AQP is equal to KLM, and similarly, APQ is going to be equal to the angle PML is going to be equal, by the tangency condition, to the angle LKM. Now what does this tell us? Well, we have the angles of AQP and MLK are identical, which means there's a similarity condition, namely AQ over ML is equal to AP over MK is equal to PQ over KL. Now, look at the condition. We need to prove that AQ times BQ is AP times BC, which really translates to proving that AQ over AP is equal PC over QB, right? This is what we need to prove, and this is what we know. So immediately from here, the idea is that let's just look at what we have. We have AQ over AP is equal to ML over MK. Now, can we connect this to this? Take 10 minutes and try to figure it out. Here's the idea. So this is what we have. We have this that we know to be true, and we know that this is enough for us to finish the problem. So what we need to prove is that ML over MK is equal to PC over BQ. Now, why am I optimistic that we will get to this very fast? Well, the reason I'm optimistic is because ML and PC are right next to each other right here. And so is MK and QB.
Oh my god. This is so simple now, bro. Oh my god, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Fuck. This is so easy. Why did I fucking fumble that, bro? Fuck. Fuck. So annoying. Come on, bro.
AQ times BQ, this is C, and this implies that OP is equal to OQ, which is what we needed to prove. Now let's formally write this down. We first say, given this...
Oh my god.
the QP is tangent to the circle that goes through points KLM, we have that the angle QMK is equal to MLK and PML is equal to MKL. And then we say, given that MK and ML are the midlines of the triangles QBP and PCQ, we have MK is parallel to QB, ML is parallel to PC, which is parallel or...
Oh my god, bro. I'm so annoyed. So annoyed, bro. So annoyed. Let's look at the solution. I don't care. Small solution, bro. What? What the fuck are these solutions, bro? Just Oh, my mic wasn't working. Damn. To your question, Mr. Kwok, I don't know how to pronounce that. No, I'm not in college. I'm in high school. So no, I'm not in college. Good question. I don't know how people mistake me for a college student. I'm not that mature. The fuck? I was cursing at this problem for like. What the fuck? What the fuck? Hell no, bro. Anyways, yeah, I was cursing at this problem for like, I don't know, for like 10 minutes, and luckily y'all didn't hear me, so that's good. What is going on, bro? Oh, I'm so fucking irritated. It's crazy, bro. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. Oh my god. I'm genuinely pissed. I'm genuinely fucking annoyed. This problem has 4 hints, and I can't even fucking help myself with one. This is gonna be my last problem, bro, and I'm gonna start reading, because there's no way, bro. I'm genuinely so bad at math, bro. Genuine problem 1, maybe. 2012? JMO 2012 1. 2012 1. Okay, this is the problem.
Welcome. Today, we'll be going through question 1 from the USA JMO 2012. Given a triangle ABC, let P and Q be points on segments AB and AC, respectively, such that AP is equal to AQ.
Another problem, bro. Just get to the point.
Distinct points on segment BC, such that S lies between B and R, and angle BPS is equal to PRS, and all lie on the same circle. Please pause the video here and have a think about the problem on your own before proceeding to the hints and solution. Consider the circumcircles of the triangles PSR the same. Hint number 3. Use the tangent that AB and A. We will suppose that P, Q, R, and S are not consecutive. Then, if we draw the circumcircles of triangles PRS and QRS, they should be different. And because we know that they already intersect at R and S, they cannot intersect anywhere else. And so they must intersect the line AS at different points. Let them intersect. AS intersect anywhere else. And so they must intersect the line AS at different points. Let them intersect AS at X and Y. Then, considering the converse of the alternate segment theorem and the fact that BPS is equal to angle PRS, we see that AB is tangent to the first circle, the circumcircle of PSR. In the same way, we can find that AC is tangent to the second circle, the circumcircle of QRS.
I used this, bro. I used this. I couldn't get anywhere, bro.
So now we can use the tangent second theorem by considering the two circles, the tangents AB and AC, and the line segment AS to get AP squared is equal to AY multiplied by AS. And AQ squared equal to AX multiplied by AS. Now, from the question, we know that AP is equal to AQ, but Y all lie on the point. So X. So X and Y are in fact the same point, since AX and Y all lie on the line segment AS, which means that the two circles are in fact the same, because they intersect AS at the same point. And so P, Q, R, and S all lie on the same circle, because the circumcircle of PRS and QRS is the same.
Oh my god, bro. I'm so bad. Holy. I'm genuinely shocked at my horrendous mathematical skills. Holy. This is 3D geometry, bro. What? I'm curious about something. No, it's too much. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream. I genuinely can't think anymore, bro. So yeah, I'm done.